Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take glutathione capsules. Glutathione is often called the body's master antioxidant, playing a crucial role in protecting your cells from damage and supporting detoxification. While your body naturally produces it, levels can decline due to various factors. Oral capsules offer a convenient way to supplement and help maintain optimal levels for overall well-being. When considering dosage, many studies suggest an oral intake between 500 and 2,000 milligrams per day. To maximize benefits, it's often recommended to split this into 2 or 3 smaller doses throughout your day. For best absorption, try taking your capsules on an empty stomach, about 30 minutes before eating. You might find morning intake boosts energy, or nighttime works better for your body's repair cycles. To get the most from your glutathione capsules, consider ways to enhance absorption. Taking it alongside vitamin C is a popular and effective strategy, as vitamin C helps regenerate glutathione. Other nutrients, such as selenium, also play a supportive role. Some specialized forms, like liposomal glutathione, are engineered for better uptake. Remember to avoid alcohol and processed foods, which can hinder its benefits. Finally, remember that consistency is key when taking glutathione capsules. Results often appear with regular use over several weeks. It is always wise to consult a healthcare professional to determine the best dosage for your unique health profile. Keep in mind that individual responses can vary. Supporting your body's natural glutathione production through a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and a healthy lifestyle will also contribute to its overall effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.